Well, hi everybody, I'm Joe. Welcome back to the channel. For today, it's a Sunday, and I'm down here at Maryland Department of Transportation's headquarter building. It's down near the BWI Airport, so I got my brother Chuck here with us today. Him and I are going to be taking a bike ride out on our two bikes, our Trek Marlin 6 and our CyRusher XF 900. Alright, so we've got the Trek Marlin 6, and this has been upgraded with a mid-drive motor. It's got a 17 amp hour battery on it, as does the CyRusher. The CyRusher all came this way. And what we're going to do is we're going to take these bikes and shoot down this trail here, which goes to the BWI Airport. It's a beautiful little trail, and it's not the BWI bike loop trail, but from there we should be able to get to the bike loop trail. So go ahead and join us and see how we get to the bike trail from MDOT headquarters here. All right, here we go, Chuck. Let's get on and go. All right, so this little walkway path goes directly to the BWI rail station, which you can get shuttle buses that will take you right to the airport. Alright, so last night in my area we got about 1.5 inches worth of rain, so I see they've gotten rain here too as well. And I'm just going to pass Chuck here on his left. Got a beautiful trail here. Alright, this is one of my favorite parts of this little trail. There's a stream here, and you can get a good view of it in this little outlook area here. But I know I've been here in the summertime, and I've actually seen fish in that little stream there. I've seen turtles and all, but right now at the end of fall here, or the end of summer, it's you know, got a lot of overgrowth in it, but it's a very nice trail. All right, Chuck, here we go.
Yeah, this is very...
I think we actually have to go through a building up here, so... Hey, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Don't forget to check out that creek down there. And here's the BWI rail station. We got to walk the bikes through, and then we're going to cross that little bridge. Yep, good. Go ahead. Go. I got it. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead. I'll press the button for you.
Thank you.
Yep. Elevator on the right there. Now, unless you want to be adventurous, we could go try the steps. Did you press it? Normally the button, there it is.
Attention please. This is the last call for Amtrack Northeast Regional Train 153 en route to Norfolk with intermediate stops.
rest. Put them inside there again. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, there's the bike route right there. I think that is the bike loop. We're on it. Isn't that great? I thought we'd have to go way down there to access it.
So you want to take that?
Yeah, go ahead. Get in front of me, Chuck.
Oh.
No, yeah, we'll come back there and we'll be here, right? I forgot to start my Strava too, so I just started it at the rail station.
Was the vehicle on?
No, it wasn't. I know it wasn't because I had the keys inside my pocket. Normally, I have it hanging off my belt and I access it that way. Well, I was concerned that the roadways would be a little wet, but we're doing good. Hey, that worked out good. Other than the elevator experience, that's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
I guarantee you nobody else charges their car while they're biking.
Well, you got your battery pack on top there.
Yeah, uh-huh. I got it in pedal assist 1, and I started more or less at 690 miles, so we'll see how long this trail really is. Oh yeah, this is nice, Chuck. This reminds me a little bit of your trail. Nice and paved.
You told me you were on this already.
Yeah, 25 years ago. And that was with the 2 kids when they were little kids. And when you're with kids, you're not enjoying anything. You're like minding them the whole time. This is where my neighbor that lives next to me used to work. I actually put in an application there one time. Oh, you can see where the roots are. Nice rest spot. Fire hydrant in the woods.
Here's a little hill.
Yep.
To have our cameras ready for that. That was.
Yeah, take it, take it, take it, take it.
Oh, this stupid phone. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. It always goes to that security thing where you gotta press your thumb or why?
Well, because you want security on your phone. That's why. That's all right. You have another one in 3 minutes.
This is better.
Here you go. Now.
This is gonna be better. Better here than underneath. Now this would be good here. If we're underneath, it's not the same. This is good on the side.
Okay. You park next to the bent pole.
Here comes another one.
Oh yeah. All right, so one of the big treats here at the BWI Airport Trail is being able to pull at the side of the road and seeing aircraft come in on the runway. Now, BWI is actually a Southwest hub, so we're seeing a Southwest airplane come in. So a bit of trivia for everybody. Southwest only flies 737s as far as I'm aware of. That looked to me like a 737-700. All right, well, how was that for you, Chuck? Your first time here?
Good,
watching
yeah,
an aircraft come in?
Yeah, that's I think that's the whole draw to it. Going to the airport to see the planes. Right?
Well, we're not going to the airport. We're doing the airport loop. Come on, Chuck.
We are at the airport.
Oh, the airport's way over there, like a mile over.
I caught a bird too.
You did?
You're yeah, so yeah, you're filming, but that's good.
Let's take one from the other side, Chuck. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and see if we can catch another flight coming in from the other side. So we'll check this out. Tell me when you see one, Chuck.
They got the Papa lights working.
What's a Papa light?
4 lights that indicate to the pilot whether he's short or too long.
Oh, okay. They're the landing indicator, like slope indicators.
Yeah. 4 reds, he's too short. I think 2 reds, 2 whites is what they need, I think.
Oh, wow. So, Chuck, I know you were in the military, or in the Air Force, but how long ago was that? You remember this stuff?
Too long.
Too long.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, there it is for another time.
So definitely the airport loop is here to the left.
Well, it says BWI Trail Bike Route.
All right, well, Chuck and I have arrived at the Benson Hammond House. You can get tours over here. As I understand it, when they were building the airport, there were all kinds of structures and homes around here, and this is the only surviving house that they didn't tear down. So there are tours here. I don't know anything about it. It was founded, I think, back in the early 60s, and you know, a lot of folks enjoy coming. Look at this, Chuck's even taking a selfie here. All right, no, he's taking a picture of the house itself. There's a bike trail there. I don't know which one's which now. Let's try that one. Oh, this is where the horses are, Chuck. Yeah. Morning. Hi, good morning. Look, now they're just horsing around. That's kind of cool. Here, let me take a picture of you next to the horses here, Chuck. Over there. Pull up over there next to the fence. Right there, right. Hard right, hard right. Yeah, that's good right there. All right, Chuck, how about a joke? Okay, repeat the joke. Chuck, the old gray mare ain't just what she used to be.
It's worse at night.
Why is that?
Because it's a nightmare.
Oh, gosh.
All right, so is that on selfie?
Night.
Get your order.
Okay. Oh, here's the propeller things, Chuck. Keep your phone out. That's good.
Brush. It's supposed to brush in. All right.
I like the red one better. Hey, good morning. Man, this guy's living the dream out here, Chuck. Look at him. Oh, yeah? I don't know. right, here we are at the MDOT, which is Maryland Department of Transportation main building. What you want to do is you want to pull into the parking lot areas and pull into the back. Now, it used to be that if you wanted to car charge, you had to go in and register in the office. But on weekends, I think they kind of like leave it open, just want to have an electric car. All right, Chuck, how was your ride today?
Yeah.
Nice. So I think we did about 10 miles there, something like that. So, all right, well, that was a great ride.
So turn off.
All right, well, thanks for watching, everybody, today. So, you know, it's a nice little ride. It's got a lot more uphills and downhills than we anticipated, but it's a nice ride. So don't go on too hot a day. They've got chairs all around the trail for resting, if you like. Bring some water with you. But I did notice a couple like shopping marts along the side of the road, like 7-Elevens, that you could stop if you wanted to stop and get a drink or something. So, hey, well, thanks again for watching, everybody. Bye for now.